I just found out that when watching some videos of C.R. Clarke, home movies of C.R. Clarke, I just found out that it's not Aspen narrating the video of the video Neighborhood Animals, but Sierra herself, and she appears in Neighborhood Animals. She also appeared in Neighborhood Animals. I'm a bit jealous. I tap out Sierra Clarke, but someone changes it to Aspen Clarke. I feel a lot jealous. It happens at the True Baby Einstein wiki. I feel a lot jealous. I'm starting to get enraged when I saw the accident. This is okay. Let me be clear. It's not Aspen Clark's voice, but 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 also it was the. Let me be clear. It wasn't Aspen's. It was Sierra's. Okay, spread the word. I think Sierra was wrong, but Aspen is correct. But I was wrong. I was very wrong. It's not Aspen. Please spread the word.
Walking that ribbon of highway, I saw above me that endless skyway. I saw below me